Hello YouTube, Josh Text back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix a PowerShell popping up on Windows computer. You may be doing different kind of activities, but it pop-ups on your screen, and a lot of you guys have asked me about this issue. As you are seeing, a lot of comments came from my previous video on PowerShell opening and closing issues. Most of you guys have had helped you from the previous video, but some of you guys are still facing this problem. So that's why I'm making this new video in order to solve the problem of PowerShell popping up on your screen. Most of you guys have, when asked about when I play games, it keeps popping up. So I have two solutions for this video, and the first solution will be turning off the PowerShell. So to turn off the PowerShell, we are going to open our control panel. So to open the control panel here, click on the search and type control panel. This one. So here the control panel open. If the categories are dispersed or you find it like this, just click here and make view by to category, then select here and install a program. So after I install a program opened, then click here, turn off Windows feature on and off. So after you open this, it will show you different lists of features of Windows. Then scroll down to the bottom and you will find here Windows PowerShell 2.0, or some versions may be included on your. It will work for Windows 10, Windows 11, and also other Windows products. So select here in order to expand the plus sign. Then here uncheck these two boxes. It's already unchecked, and select here OK. So after you select OK, it starts processing in order to apply the change. And as you can see, Windows completed the requested change, the requested change. Then select close, and here go and check whether is this thing is still appearing or not. And as you can see here, it's turned off. Here the Windows PowerShell is completely cleared or unchecked. So select OK, and then after go here and select and restart your computer. And this function will not uninstall the PowerShell, but it turned off the feature of the PowerShell. If this solution cannot help you, then check your task manager, because your PowerShell may be integrated with the startup function of your computer. So to check the task manager, again, we are going to click here, right click, and select here task manager. So after task manager open, then select here startup. So on the startup, you are going to get Windows PowerShell. So if you find here, in my case, I don't have the PowerShell because I already removed it. But if you have Windows PowerShell, then select Windows PowerShell and go here. If it is enabled, for example, let's take this one. If it is enabled, then select here and disable it. And the PowerShell will be disabled from your startup categories. So these are the two basic solutions in order to combat the popping up issues of PowerShell. The first one, turning off from its feature section, and the second one, removing from the startup option. So if this video is helpful, please give me subscribe and like my channel, and give me comments even if this video have some misunderstandings or some things that I should have to improve. And I'm going to say thank you for watching. Josh Tech out.